Follow these 10 simple habits and you won't recognize your skin. We all want beautiful, healthy-looking skin, so we try different creams, scrubs, and masks, but all to no avail. Are we completely out of options and hope? Of course not! Give these 10 simple habits a shot, and in no time at all, you'll see a big change in your skin for the better. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications, so that you'll always be the first to see all our new videos. Number 10. Clean your phone screen with special antibacterial wipes. Are you constantly breaking out in rash or pimples on your cheeks? Did these new skin issues seem to come out of nowhere? Guess what? Your phone screen is probably to blame. Studies have proven that your smartphone screen can easily be covered in 10 times more bacteria than a toilet seat. Gross! And that's exactly how they end up on your face, causing all kinds of nasty skin problems. But don't worry. All you have to do is make it a habit to disinfect your phone screen with special antibacterial wipes that are safe for electronics. Wipe all that bacteria away and your cheeks will be clean and clear. Number 9. Wash your makeup brushes regularly. Your makeup brushes also collect tons of bacteria, and that's another possible culprit of your acne. If you want to have flawless skin, don't be lazy and make an effort to take care of your brushes by washing them regularly. Just like with your phone, you can simply use antibacterial wipes before each use. And for a deeper clean, use a gentle cleanser like baby shampoo or face wash. Make it a weekly ritual, like every Sunday morning after breakfast. You won't believe how happy your skin will be. Number 8. Eat the right foods. We all know that sweet stuff and junk food are no good for our skin. So every time you eat something with a lot of grease or sugar, you should be ready to welcome a brand new pimple the next day. A person's diet is usually the main reason for skin problems, which is why changing what you eat is pretty much inevitable. Do it gradually, though. Find out what healthy products and dishes you like and slowly add them to your daily meals. Don't get too crazy. Extreme food limitations are no good either. They can lead to dry, wrinkly, and tired-looking skin. Just make sure that your new diet contains foods with a lot of nutrients and minerals, and you'll be just fine. Number 7. Be careful with scrubs. Scrubs really do make your skin exceptionally smooth and radiant, but if you use them too frequently, they can also be your worst enemy, causing breakouts and rashes. If you have dry skin, go for gentle facial cleansers instead. As for oily or acne-prone skin, you can use scrubs no more than once a week. People with other skin types can do it twice a week, but that's it. It's also better to use natural scrubs that you can easily make at home yourself instead of store-bought ones full of nasty chemicals. Number 6. Moisturize before and after you swim in the pool. When it's hot outside, most of us just want to spend all day on the beach or in the pool. And while jumping into the pool is tons of fun for you, your skin isn't having such a good time. Chlorinated pool water wreaks havoc on your poor skin, drying it out, taking away its elasticity, and making it look duller. You obviously don't want that, so be sure to moisturize your skin before you get in the pool. Once you get out, deep clean your skin and reapply a moisturizer. That'll protect your skin from the harmful effects of chlorine. And remember, always use SPF anytime you spend under the sun. Number 5. Shower right after you work out. If you work out regularly, well, first of all, props to you for taking care of your body. And secondly, don't forget to shower immediately after your training session. True, the showers at the gym aren't the most comfortable place on the earth, but it's still better than dealing with the consequences of being too lazy to take a shower. You see, excess sweat can encourage bacteria to grow in your pores, which results in blackheads and acne. When you shower right away, you can stop this from happening, making sure your skin stays fresh and clean. Definitely a good idea. Number 4. Listen to the signals your body is sending. Acne, rashes, dry skin, bags, and dark circles under your eyes, all the changes you see on your face and body are your system's way of telling you that something's wrong. Everything starts on the inside, and what you see on your face is just a consequence. So listen to your body and try to notice any changes in your appearance and well-being. The best way to react is to see your doctor. They'll give you all the information necessary on what to do. When you cut the problem at the root, it doesn't have a chance to break into something bigger and more serious. So be attentive to yourself and your health. Number 3, avoid overly hot showers. Steaming hot baths and showers can destroy the skin's protective layer of lipids that help retain moisture in the deeper layers of the dermis. That's why constantly washing yourself in really hot water can result in premature wrinkling and dryness of the skin. With this in mind, try to shower in lukewarm water. And if you must have it hot, limit yourself to just 10 to 20-minute baths. Again, not overly hot, just a bit more than usual. It'll open up your pores, making it easier to clean them with your favorite product. Nice and easy. Number 2, drink enough water. Yeah, I know, the most overused phrase when it comes to talking about health and wellness, but that's just because it's absolutely true. It's really important to stay hydrated. You might think that it can't cause any dramatic changes, but just try it, and you'll be shocked at how much your skin will improve. If you barely drink water throughout the day, a great hack that'll force you to do it is to keep your water bottle on top of your phone at your desk. So whenever you feel the need to check your messages or Facebook, and that's usually pretty often, you'll be reminded to take a drink. You can also download a special app on your phone that'll remind you when it's time to hydrate. Just find the method that works for you and go for it. Number 1, go to bed earlier. Sleeping is like free cosmetic medicine for your skin. When you stay up all night watching TV or playing video games, you wake up tired and your skin looks dull and dry. Going to bed earlier, on the other hand, can do miracles. Not only for those bags under your eyes, but for your skin as well. Scientifically speaking, when you sleep less, your body releases more of the stress hormone cortisol. And if there's too much of it, you can get all kinds of inflammation. If you prolong your sleep, you give cortisol no chance to ruin your skin's health. Seems reasonable, right? So get some more shut-eye. That way, it'll be much easier for you to kickstart your day every morning, looking well-rested and gorgeous. Do you have any tricks on how to keep your skin clean and clear? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Maybe these tips will help them get the beautiful skin of their dreams too. Stay on the bright side of life, and we'll see you soon.